Well, I took a stroll on the old long walk on a day I met a little girl and we stopped to talk on a fine soft day. I ask you, friend, what's a fella to do? 'Cause her hair was black and her eyes were blue. And I knew right then I'd be taking a whirl round the Salt Hill prom with the Galway girl.